polyphenols. These are compounds, antioxidants in plants that give them their color. Some examples would be dark colored berries, dark chocolate, clove, and peppermint. And it's nicely embodied by the old axiom, eat the rainbow. A variety of colors of fruits and vegetables will give you an assortment of different polyphenols. And as evidence here, a 2021 randomized control trial gave people 3 servings per day of polyphenol-rich foods for 2 months. The results, quoting, "These data show, for the first time, that a polyphenol-rich diet can reduce serum zonulin levels." Another important component of your diet would be quality protein and fat so as to obtain glutamine and omega-3s. Now, glutamine is an amino acid that's a fuel source for the rapidly dividing cells of your intestinal lining. And omega-3s, as you probably already know, are incorporated into cell membranes and function to be anti-inflammatory. So the recommendations here would be glutamine-rich foods, regularly consuming beef, chicken, eggs, and bone broth, and also omega-3 fatty acids via 3 to 4 ounce servings per day of fatty fish in a given week. This would include salmon, mackerel, tuna, or sardines.